You know what? I have no idea what I'm about to make.
I love fridge challenges.
But I do know that I have things in the fridge. Just like you have things in the fridge. This is the What is in Your Fridge Challenge.
Tortillas, big ones and small ones, sour cream, salsa, tuna fish salad. You know what? I think we should make a beautiful quesadilla. We've got all this cheese, we've got the sour cream, good for dipping. I don't know how I feel about tuna salad quesadilla, so I think it's just gonna be sausage quesadilla. Big. Cilantro. Very important. Okay, salsa, cilantro, salsicha, sour cream, cheddar, 4 cheeses, tortillas, y hot sauce. Okay, let's start with the sausage. Wonderful. Take your knife. Sausage is pretty salty, so just a little bit of pepper. Just give it a tiny bit of salt and maybe some paprika. Just lay it in there. Here's a tortilla, just putting it right in. Nice and low on our heat here. Get a good handful. Spread your meat out. Whatever you choose. This could even be mushrooms. Cheddar cheese. Oh, baby. So you want to cover that. Cheese is very important in a quesadilla. It's built into the name. Queso. Quesadilla. So I'm going to put this second piece on top here because it's going to actually trap in some extra steam. Help melt that cheese. All right, why don't we just put a little bit of cilantro, maybe if we just cut it up real fine, add it into some sour cream with a little bit of hot sauce, we can have a more exciting sour cream dip. Cilantro. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Salt. Sour cream. Oops, I made a mess already. Okay, that looks nice. I think the quesadilla should be cut into quarters. Cuatro, queso, I don't know, it's just the thing. Well, it looks nice. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Got these little bad boys. All right, so you can pick and choose your own adventure here. Okay, should we try it? Here we go. Leftover quesadilla. Oh, cheesy, smoky, meaty. Let's get some of our sauce there. That is wonderful. So the 2 main takeaways here are find a vehicle that is traditional somewhere around the world to make your fridge stuff better. Be it a quesadilla, be it a frittata, be it a pasta, a rice. Find a vehicle, add your bizarre ingredients. The second thing you should do is any jarred sauce, jarred salsa, container of sour cream, anything you can add to it, it makes it a little bit more special. And it's so much less depressing than just taking from container and pouring on counter. You're better than that, I know you are. So add lime zest, add ketchup, add barbecue sauce, add hot sauce. Do something. And you will have a better flavor. Damn, that's good.